Money.
Money.
All that PBE shit going on, nigga. Straight flexing. Yeah.
Ain't doing no talking. If it's green light on his head, ain't got no time to talk. Catch him at Walmart, do him like Vomar, put him in the coffin. Hit your bitch on the weekend, yeah, she do this often. Ain't doing no talking. Ay, it ain't no talking. Bitch, it ain't no talking. Green light on a nigga head, ain't got time to talk. These niggas really fed. I know I want these bitch ass niggas like my brother Red. One that's gonna do all of the talking, ain't shit to be said. Beat these nigga ass on a Friday night, you would think I'm crazy. Stuff a nigga noggin, like the yard, but I ain't no play. Quarter point and ask me what happened, but the fifth I played. My BM steady nagging my nerves, I gotta roll my meds. Put the brace, I think I'm a roster, I'm about to start my dream. Keep your eyes on your own paper, that's what the teacher told. You reap what you sow, that's what the Bible spoke. With the church I heard the preacher, but I really didn't listen. Keep my grass cut really low, cause the snakes hissing. I'm tired of hearing all these lies while you niggas fibbing. Couldn't take the heat with water focus, you in the kitchen. Young dog was crying like a bitch, he had a tether bond. How the fuck is you a real killer, you couldn't commit the crime? Ain't doing no talking. If it's green light on his head, ain't got no time to talk. Catch him at Walmart, do him like Vomar, put him in the coffin. Hit your bitch on the weekend, yeah, she do this often. Ain't doing no talking. Ay, it ain't no talking. Bitch, it ain't no talking. Green light on a nigga head, ain't got time to talk it. She won't let me penetrate, she playing celibate. Shorty swear that she the Virgin Mary, but take hella dicks. Cause you got a gun, you not a shooter, you was hesitant. You folded like a chair up in that room, and it's evident. You niggas been pussy. Jumped off the porch at the high school, you a whole rookie. Ayy, can't do no songs with them. Will they tell me that these niggas hoes can't get along with them? Bitch, ain't doing no talking. If it's green light on his head, ain't got no time to talk. Catch him at Walmart, do him like Vomar, put him in the coffin. Hit your bitch on the weekend, yeah, she do this often. Ain't doing no talking. Ay, it ain't no talking. Bitch, it ain't no talking. Green light on a nigga head, ain't got time to talk it.